2010 Toyota Tacoma V6, 4-door, lifted, really beautiful truck. Got 4 factory converters on it, 2 there, and 1, 2 with a lot of mud on them. There. Then it wires into a single. Then he brought us an MBRP system, part number S5322. It's an extended crew cab axle back with a dump, as you guys can see right there. There's the MBRP. I can never say it, guys. I don't know what. There it is, bolt-on system, as you guys can see. There it is. They're proud of that name, so they stamp it nice and big. Anyways, as you guys can see. And then the factory exhaust system is right there. Long system that we took off and swapped it out with that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Tell us what you guys think of it. There'll be a link in the description if we can find it for it. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Not bad. What do you guys think? It's all right. I like it a little bit louder than that. Here's sound decibels. Right at 99. Go ahead and back it up. Here's all terrain. Custom lights. Again. Not too bad. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. What you hear on the inside. Driving down the road. You like it? The window. Close the window on that, please. Yeah, check it out.